Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable filtered mail in Gmail on your PC. Gmail's filters are designed to automatically categorize your emails into different sections like primary, social, and promotions. If you prefer to have your emails organized and sorted automatically, follow these simple steps to enable filtered mail. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Inbox from the top menu. Step 5. Next to Filtered Mail, click on Override Filters. This will enable the automatic categorization of your emails according to Gmail's filters. Now, your incoming emails will be sorted into different sections based on their content, making it easier for you to locate and manage them. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.